Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your snipping tool is experiencing great slowness and seems to be fairly unresponsive on your computer. So snipping tool is an easy to use screenshot and screen recording utility on Windows, but sometimes it makes so slow on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And some of the most common reasons are corrupted applications data, outdated screenshot tool versions, graphics card driver issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair and reset snipping tool. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and here at search for apps and then type settings and then click open. And then once you open up the system settings at left side menu and then select these apps and on right side and then you need to tap installed apps. So here at installed apps, so you can see this search apps and then you need to type this snipping tool. Alright, so once you type this snipping tool, and then you can see here now the snipping tool Microsoft Corporations. So all you have to do is to click this three dot on right side and then tap this advanced option. So here at advanced options and then scroll down and then select this reset. So we need now to click this repair. So if this app isn't working right and we can try to repair it and then tap this repair and wait to complete this repair process. Okay, so repair process complete. And if this app still isn't working right, and then the time now to click this reset. So tap this reset. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset process complete and hope to resolve the issues, but if the problem is still persists, and the next solutions we will do is to update the snipping tool. So all you have to do is to click on start menu and then select Microsoft Store. So once you open up this Microsoft Store at left side menu and then click library, and then you need to find or locate this snipping tool to update, alright? Or else you can see the searching address bar and then type here snipping tool and then click this app snipping tool. And then once you can see this git updates and then tap download or install to update this app to resolve the issue. Alright, so after here at Microsoft Store and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to repair system files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu and then here at search for apps and then type CMD and then right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then tap yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt and then next step, we need to type or enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So in all small letter and then slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So there is the possibility that corrupted system files cause the snipping tool performance issue. System file checker and deployment image servicing and management are two built-in tools in Windows computers that help user repair corrupted system image file. So guys, use this tool to repair the corrupted system image files. So this is most recommended to use if there is a something error or corrupted files on your PC, then use this command sfc scan now. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close this CMD and we need to restart again. So click this start menu and then tap this restart only. Alright, so that's it guys, and hope to resolve the issue on how to fix Snipping Tool is slow in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.